Hey, I'm Dave Knight with the Dave Knight Real Estate Team, and we love being a real estate resource for people. Today's question is one that I get quite often, where somebody that's from out of town, out of state, inherits a property, or they're the successor trustee on a property, where somebody's passed away, or they've moved into assisted living and they can't make decisions anymore. So the other family member comes into a position of power of being a successor trustee or an administrator of the estate. And they need to know, hey, what do I need to do to get the property sold? Dave, do I have to come to Southern California to meet with you to do that? And the answer is no. You don't have to ever come here. In fact, one of the sales I did 10 years ago was with an Israeli attorney that basically just called me. We didn't even Zoom. We did everything for him over the phone and via email with signing. So no, you don't have to come here. Now we have two staff that's their job, is to prepare houses for sale. So all we need is a copy of the key and we can take over from there. So hoarder removals, overseeing estate sales, painting the property, staging it, getting it ready for sale. We're fully staffed to do all of that. And there's no reason why a seller has to come here unless the most important thing is that if there is personal property there at the house that maybe some type of, or have some type of sentimental value, we can't decide what's important for you or for family members to keep. So if it's other family members, we can even facilitate them coming in to take what they want, and then we take over after everything's been removed. But as a seller, the answer is no, you do not have to come here. We've got a couple situations right now, one in Canada, the successor trustees in Canada, another person that's acting as trust agent for mom. She's traveling in Europe and she's going to be there right before closing, and we've coordinated a notary for her to be able to sign the grant deed, which is something that needs to be done. So that does have to be coordinated, but it can be done out of country. You don't have to come back. So a lot of times people assume that, hey, Dave, we've got to be there for closing. Closing has to be at a time where we're there. And the answer is no, it doesn't. We can coordinate everything for wherever you're at in the world. And most of the paperwork is done via DocuSign email. So you do need a phone, ideally, because you need to talk through, where I will talk through the offers with you. I can make recommendations about what to do, but ultimately as a seller, you're the boss. You choose which one you want. I just consult on what I would do if I were you, and then you just sign electronically. So hopefully that helps answer your question. And you'll probably know family members that will inherit a property, or they're out of state, out of area, up in Sacramento, Washington. They need to sell a property here. We can fully help everything, and they do not have to ever come down. Make it a great day. We'll see you on the next video.